Hello everyone, my name is Aman Gupta and along with my teammate Jignesh Thacker, we are going to present our project on step-by-step installation and configuration of Hadoop. This project is part of our subject Big Data Analytics and Applications and it is guided by Professor Dr. Supriya Bhosle. In today's videos, we will walk you through the complete process of installing, configuring and running Hadoop step by step in a simple and practical way. Now let's begin by understanding what Hadoop actually is. So what is Hadoop? Hadoop is an open source framework used to store and process very large amount of data across multiple computers. When organizations deal with massive data sets such as social media data or banking transactions, a single system is not sufficient to handle that load efficiently. In such scenarios, Hadoop helps by distributing the data and processing it across multiple machines, making the system faster, scalable, and efficient. Now let's start with the installation process. Before installing Hadoop, we need to make sure that JDK8 is installed on our system. JDK8 is one of the most important requirements for Hadoop. After installing JDK8, go to the official Hadoop website hadoop.apache.organization. Open the website and select the version 3.4.2. Next, go to the binary download section and click on it. This will take you to the go to download page. From there, select the first link for version 3.4.2 and the download will begin. You will see the download notification on your screen. It may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, go to the download folder and extract the Hadoop file. After extraction, the Hadoop folder will be created. Now open the Hadoop folder, then go to the etc file and then Hadoop directory. Here we will configure some important files. First, open core-site.xml using Notepad++. Inside the configuration tag, we will some add like name and values. Name fs.default fs and value hdfs localhost 9000 and save the file. Next, open MapReduce site.xml and add the name and value. Name MapReduce.framework.name and value is yarn. Then save this file and then open hdfs-site.xml and add the requirement properties like dfs.replications, dfs.namenode.name.dir, dfs.datanode.name.dir. After now open the hdfs-site.xml file. Inside the configuration tag, add the following properties. Name yarn.nodemanager.aux services and value mapreduce.shuffle. Then add another property for yarn.nodemanager. After this, the configuration is complete. Now we have downloaded and configured all the required Hadoop files. Inside the data folder, we find two important directories, datanode and Namenode. These are essential components of Hadoop. Next, go back to the etc and Hadoop folder and open the hadoop-env.sh file. Right click on it and open it with Notepad++. Here we will set the environment path. We need to configure the Java home variable. After that, go to Windows setting and search for edit system environment variables. Open environment variables and then click new under the system variable. Set variable name Hadoop home, variable value, path of the Hadoop folder. Then go to the bin folder inside Hadoop, copy the path and paste it. into the variable value field. Click OK. Now you will see that Hadoop name has been added successfully. Click OK and again also close all windows. Now the environment variable for Hadoop are set successfully. The setup is now complete, so the next step is to format the name node. Open your system and launch the command prompt. Make sure your data directories are properly set. Now the command goes like this. The command will format the name node. If any confirmation is required, type to Y to proceed. After the setup is done, you need to start Hadoop service using CMD. This will be open multiple command prompt windows where different Hadoop services like name node and data node will start running. Now let's minimize the windows and open Chrome. In the browser, go to URL localhost 9870. This will be open the name node dashboard. You can also open another URL localhost 8088. This will open the node manager dashboard. Now both services are running successfully. To verify that the services are running, you can go back to CMD and type the JPS command. This will be display all the running Hadoop process. So that's it, all complete installation of Hadoop. Thank you so much.